How can I change the column colors of a stacked pyplot chart to indicate whether another column is true or false? Here is some sample data from the data frame. I am using a stacked bar chart in order to show three values. The V1 and V2 have been normalized as % guess, so it is simple to create the basic chart like this. 20 equals df.plot kind equals bar, x equals country, stacked equals true, fig size equals 20,10. Having previously ordered the data frame, df equals conjoint underscore ag underscore df dot sort underscore values restricted dot country, ascending equals false, true. So as to display it by both country and the true, false value. That gives me a basic display like this. What I'm trying to do is to arrange for all of the columns with a true value in restricted to have one color pair and those with false to have another color pair. As I am sorting by restricted first, this means that the color would change from the former to the latter along the x-axis of the graph. I can do this for simple bar charts following this example. Color matplotlib bar chart based on value. And for a single pair of colors using this. 20 equals underscore df dot plot kind equals bar, x equals country, stacked equals true, fig size equals 20,10, color equals R, B. Hideous, but I can't work out how to apply a differentiator to the columns to change two color values to two different values based on the true-false values.
There may be a better approach, but here is one using a loop. Output.
Probably this is not the most beautiful approach, but it works. I'm using the keyword argument color from the plot method. As argument, we can use a dictionary based on the restricted condition. I've used some built-in colors defined in matplotlib color maps, but you can use the colors of your choice, of course. Since this messes up the default legend, I've tried making one, not the prettiest, though. This gives us the following plot as output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.